Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make animation video by using Canva. So let's begin our video. So first of all, here you can see I just opened my Canva website on my browser. So right now what I need to do, I just need to go on search bar and type YouTube video, then search it. So after open it, here have showing some templates, but you just need to select blank on. Right now I just go select elements and go to search bar and type background road and select graphics, and I just need to find some road, so I simply select this one and I just need to fit it. So here you can see it's perfectly fit. Right now go again search option and you just need to select car and hit the enter button again, select graphics, and you just need to choose a car that's perfectly fit in this road. So I'm just finding a car which one is better for looking better. So I can choose this on. Maybe it's fit or not, I need to check it. Yes, it can be fit. Okay, right now what I need to do, I just need to select this on and then select animate, select create an animation, and right now what I need to do, I just need to select this car and I just need to move it from this place to this place. Well done. Then select smooth and you just need to increase your speed, and here you can see right now if I just play this video, here you can see the car is running now. So I'm just showing again, here you can see it's perfectly working. So guys, in this way you can create animation video by using Canva. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.